Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to upload content from a USB flash drive to your OneDrive using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer as well as a USB flash drive and account for Microsoft Office 365. We can now start this tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Enter to open up the web browser. Wait for that to load. Once it has loaded, now let's go to office.com and make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to Applications, More Applications, locate the OneDrive application. There we have it. Click on this, wait for that to load. And now let's go to My Files. Minimize Google Chrome for the moment. Now let's bring the USB flash drive into the frame. Let's insert that into the Mac computer. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, we should see that on screen. USB-1, click on this, increase the size of the Finder window and then change the view type, so we know that we will be uploading an image, a video, a document, a zip file, and whatever we wish to. Let's now minimize Finder for the moment. Go back to the dock, click on Google Chrome. Let's now click on Add New Folder. Enter a name for the folder, USB, create. Let's now go within that folder itself. Add new, files, upload, navigate to the USB like we have on screen, change the view to icons. We want to upload a photo, a video, a document, and a zip file, as well as a text file. Open. This should now be uploading to the OneDrive account. As you can see, uploading 5 items. That has all now been done. Text file, zip file, image, video, document. Click on the document itself. That should open up in SharePoint. Let's go back one. Open the video. This will open up in SharePoint. As part of Stream, go back one. Open up the image. This will open up as part of the preview in OneDrive, and so on. So if I was to, let's just say, click on zip, that would extract in the zip file folder, and so on. We can now quit Google Chrome, go down to the dock, go back to USB-1. Let's now eject from Finder, remove from the system. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.